Hey angels, hey family. As you guys can see, my throat is absolutely gone. So, you like my blush chain, y'all? So, tonight I'm actually going skating. And I'm going to just take the day off. I guess I should be laying down, I don't know. But I'm going skating. We're going to hang out with the kids. Hang out with some of my family I haven't seen in a while. So, you guys pray for us. So, I have not been out in a while. And I'm excited to get out. I think I just need to have a little fun, you know? Loosen up, have a little fun, have a good time. So we're going to see how it goes. I haven't skated in a little while now, so hopefully your girl don't fall. Pray for me, y'all. Child, I don't even know what to do with my edges. They be doing too much. They say these not baby hairs, these adult hairs. Look, y'all, this is me and my nephew. Y'all say hi to my nephew. I miss him so much. And this is my son Tristan, y'all, and this is my little brother Darius. Okay, so this photo is like the biggest blessing of them all. This is proof that with God, all things is possible. I literally have not been involved with my family really in like the last 3.5 years, y'all. So y'all see me right in the middle. My sister Toya got the blonde hair. My cousin standing next to me with the curly hair. My brother in the back with the red and his girlfriend. My mom, my favorite cousins, my sister in the front. That's my older sister Tasha in the front with the burger. This is Eliza, my daughter, with my nephew, Nashawn.
You got your sketch, Diamond over there. What you talking about? We outside, y'all.
Hey, y'all. I cannot talk right now, y'all. I'm going to have to get some rest. But we had a ball. Did y'all have fun?
Yeah, I had fun.
Come say hi. How was it?
And I got some.
Everybody had a good time. I just wanted to check in with you guys. We'll be back and popping tomorrow. God willing, okay, y'all?
You gonna be asleep.
We got a message for the Lord tomorrow, okay? Say hi, Chase. Did you have a good night?
Yeah.
Was it fun? Y'all, Chase was on the skating rink all night. Did you even get off?
I did it like twice.
Chase loves skating, right?
Yeah, I'm out of breath.
I'm tired, y'all. Like, when I tell y'all my ribs hurt, everything hurt. Like, my body not the same, y'all. I got to get back in the gym. Listen. But I just wanted to come and tell y'all that I love y'all and check in with y'all. Eliza, my voice is like acting crazy. I don't believe this. I don't believe the devil doing this to me, y'all. But I haven't seen my family in years, y'all. So literally, nothing but the grace of God. I told y'all God was restoring everything. So I'm just, Eliza, how was it?
Hi, it was fun.
Did you have a great time? The smile on her face says it all. So I told Eliza I'm trying to lead by example. Like, I want for them, if her and her siblings ever go through anything, to forgive each other and to, you know, stay strong together. So I'm trying to lead by example here. But it was a good time. I think I need to take the night where I should process the day. And then I'm going to see how I feel in the morning. But I feel good right now. But I love y'all, and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Mwah.